This is the OXO company's main panel. We have a S7 1200 Siemens PLC. We are using special equipment to make a significant impact that has never been done in UL. We succeeded in making a major contribution to US's industry. We have previously undertaken a pharmaceutical project to crack the password of the HMI. The materials are combined and vacuum is applied to identify if there's a hole inside. The vacuum control system of this part is located here. Let's process another batch. We also have a panel of S7 1500, which is likely for the mixer, that's the mixer. Next, let's move to panels part. It's known here as S7 300 Siemens PLC. The ingredients in it are Chinese medicine for cancer diseases. There's an interesting thing I want to explain to you. This device has an interesting part that easily allows us to replace the main tank, and it is a combination of pneumatic and electric system. It's coming here. Now you see this connector here. Yes, this is the electricity. Trans straight means the connector of all these, plus the pneumatic line for the saturation of this connector. This one goes out, another comes in here. It is air, pneumatic, electrical, electronics, all combined in one system. Due to the FC's language, that is SCL, these are not loading properly, unfortunately. Thank you, we cracked HMI's password. Friends, later in a detailed video I will explain the entire work process to you.